Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Study Byte. In this video, we are going to discuss about major issues in data mining and applications of data mining. So without any delay, let's get started. Here, major issues is nothing but the main problems or obstacles that makes data mining difficult. And the first issue in data mining is handling noisy and incomplete data. Generally, the real world data will be containing a lot of errors and missing values and duplicate values, right? If the data is not clean, then the mining results will not be good. That is the first issue in data mining. The second one is efficiency and scalability of an algorithm. Generally nowadays the modern data sets are huge and mining those data sets will be very difficult. And some slow or inefficient algorithms cannot handle that large amount of data sets. That is the second issue in data mining. And the third one is choosing right algorithm and model. We are having a lot of algorithms in data mining, and every algorithm will not work for every problem. Every problem needs a different algorithm, and if we choose wrong algorithm for a problem, then that may lead to poor results. That is the third issue in data mining. And the fourth one is visualization and user interface challenges. Generally, the results that we have obtained should be in a way where humans can understand, but some raw patterns will be very difficult for humans to understand, and also users may not know how to read complex graphs. That is the fourth major issue in data mining. And the fifth one is need for domain knowledge. We will obtain result after data mining, right? And that result will not be meaningful unless we know from which domain or from which business that data set is obtaining. Which means without domain knowledge, the patterns may interrupt incorrectly. That is the fifth issue in data mining. And the sixth one is data diversity and heterogeneity. Generally, data comes in many formats, like data may be in image format or video format or audio format. Like we will be obtaining data in many formats, and different types of data may require different types of data pre-processing and different mining methods. This is the sixth issue in data mining. This is about major issues in data mining. Now moving on to the next topic, applications of data mining. Here, applications of data mining means where data mining is used. And the first one is market analysis and customer relationship management. In market analysis, if we take stores like DMart, Reliance and Big Bazaar, here it analyzes the customer behavior, their patterns and their preferences. If a customer buys milk, then automatically he will be buying bread. And by analyzing that behavior, one can improve their market and also can understand customer behavior. That is market analysis and customer relationship management. The next one is fraud detection. Data mining model compare our current transaction with normal behavior. If we suddenly withdraw 50,000 at midnight from another city, then the system marks it as suspicious, which means here the fraud is detected using data mining. And the next one is healthcare and disease prediction. Here, in hospitals, by using thousands of medical records, hospitals detect early signs of diabetes or fever or heart attacks. This may help doctors give early treatment and avoid emergencies. And the next one is finance and stock market analysis. Here, models study historical prices, their trends and their patterns. This happens due to data mining. If we take example of a company's stock, when the stock falls every time the company's quarterly profit decreases. Here the system predicts a drop before it happens. And the next one is e-commerce and recommendation systems. Here let us take an example of Netflix. In Netflix we will be watching movies, right? Generally while watching movies, after completing that we will be getting that type of movies as recommendations to watch. Which means here the system is predicting our behavior using data mining. Let us take another example like Amazon or Flipkart. Here we will be purchasing products and searching the products that we required. After coming back from that application and going back to another application, we will be still seeing that recommendations, that product recommendations. This happened due to data mining. Next one is education and e-learning. Here we may often observe it in the platforms like Byju's, Coursera and Unacademy. And here if a student keeps scoring low in data structures, then the system recommends extra video on the topic of data structures. Here the system is observing the pattern of students. That is nothing but data mining. These are the applications of data mining. In this class, we have discussed about major issues in data mining and applications of data mining. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to StudyByte. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.